This thumbnail has 42 million views, and I'll be recreating it in just 5 minutes. Then, I'm giving AI the same challenge. Let's see who embarrasses themselves first. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier, we have 5 minutes to create this thumbnail. So there's the manual method, and then there's the AI method. Let's go ahead and throw a timer on the screen. Ready, set, go. All right, so that's 5 minutes starting. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and bring up my thumbnail here. This will serve as my original template. And so now we need to grab a character of me. I'm gonna grab this from my folders that I have. A serious expression. I think this one's kind of fitting. All right, we're gonna use this one. This is the thumbnail that we'll be using. Okay, we're gonna use this background remover. You can actually do the background remover from a website. I think it's like literally Google it, background remover. Now we're gonna increase our size. We need to be a little bit bigger. Okay, here we go. Now we need this chat bubble and then this door. See, these are the elements that we need. Maybe a flashlight too, but we're not gonna be too concerned with the flashlight. Wow, we only have 3 minutes left. Okay, I'm gonna go into my elements and let's go rectangle. So for the next 1.5 minutes, I spent on a square box and a star. Okay, and we'll group this together so that it moves. How much time do I have left? Oh my god, I'm out of time. All right, well, let's look at our final results, why don't we? I barely even got to do anything, bro. Yeah, so this is what we ended up with. We didn't finish. Bro, we didn't even get to put our star in or anything like that. That is unfortunate. 5 minutes is not enough time. Okay, so now let's try out the AI method. So this is the method that I've been using with AI to recreate thumbnails at like a moment's notice. Start our 5 minutes. There you go. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to throw this in this. So this is a group project. It's going to analyze this and turn this into exactly what we needed. This is kind of number one. So now we have a prompt. Okay, we have this, doorway pause. We gotta like give it a moment. Okay. We're gonna do, so we'll do main scene prompt. This GPT turns your eyes or photos into super detailed 3D movie style scene descriptions. It designs a shiny, faceless character in cool environments with dramatic lighting and camera angles, so you can create epic cinematic images and videos. Okay, so once we have that, here we go. We have this result now. How much time we have left? 2 minutes? All right, perfect. We're gonna download this, and then we'll go into new chat. And here's what we'll do. Add photos and files. Upload this. This is the image that we just got back. This turns it into essentially a template. Really, the most important thing is your inputs. So you want to make sure that you have as high quality as inputs as possible. So since this is our input, like this is not the highest quality that we can have. We're going to use this prompt now. Replace the character in image 1 with the character in image 2, keep everything else in image 1 the exact same. So we are replacing this character with us. All right, let's see what happens. And just so you see this as well, I'm going to do this in Gemini. So here is Gemini pulled up. We're going to use the exact same prompt. Let's see which one looks better, honestly. Comment down below which one you guys think will look a lot better. Honestly, from my testing, I found that ChatGPT made the better image from just like inside. Let's see. Oh, oh, whoa. Kind of looks like me, but not really at the same time. Bruh, this one looks so much better. What the heck? This one looks way closer. All right, so let's go ahead and save this. All right, and that's time. 5 minutes. All right, and here we go. Here is the final result. Okay, so in this top left is the original thumbnail. This is Ryan Tran's thumbnail. In the right is the one that I made with 5 minutes. Yeah, I don't have much to say about this. In the bottom left, this is what ChatGPT made. And then in the bottom right, this is what Gemini made. Honestly, Gemini is kind of weird. Oh, and look at the arm. It's the plasticky arm that we made from earlier. But I mean, here are all 4 of them compared to each other. You could see that, like, this one that I made in 5 minutes wasn't even close. It wasn't even close. Like, it's way off. I mean, we at least we have the text bubble though, so you know, I'm pretty happy with that. But like, look at this one. Holy shit! Like, this one is actually so close. It follows the same prompt. It has the background with the person standing. You know, it has the 13 here. I mean, albeit this one has 13, but this one didn't even have, like, this one didn't look like me that much. Yeah, this one didn't look like me. Like, this one is really close, but this one did have the bathrobe, so that is pretty close. That's pretty close, not gonna lie. So comment down below, which one did you like better from these 3? Ironically, Gemini is touted as one of the best image models out there, but in this one, it's just like, I've had a lot of trouble just trying to keep it as close as the original as possible. It always does something to change up the original image that we get, like the input image that we get, so, or the reference image, I mean. It always does something to change up the reference image, and so this is the result that we have. 1, 2, or 3. Comment down below which one was your favorite. Personally, for me, number 2 was definitely my favorite. It just doesn't have the little text box, but that's actually really easy to add in post here. Well, let me add it, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Pretty good. It's pretty good, not gonna lie.